Click, click, click. Can you copy and paste? Do you have internet connection? Do you have a cell phone? Do you have a tablet? Do you have a laptop? Do you have any of these? Well, if the answer is yes, well, you can make money online. The net method I'm going to show you is a worldwide strategy. So that means that there is no excuses, guys. You can make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can make money. There is no investment required. There is no technical knowledge required, and this is strategy something that you can do worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you decide to take action, you are gonna get results. So let me show you everything step by step. First, what we're gonna be doing is that we are gonna be using the website called Fiverr. Okay, I'm pretty sure you already hear about this website called Fiverr.com. Don't worry, you are not gonna be hiring anybody. And as I mentioned, you don't need to do crazy stuff or have any kind of technical skills in order to make money. Okay, what we're going to be doing a quick search is for the skill that is called social media management. Okay, social media management, as you can see, it's on here on Fiverr at Fiverr's choice. What does that mean? That people really love this service and they are actually getting results. Okay, so you can see that we have people who are charging $60 and $185, $245, $350, $800, $170, even $600 just for this. And what a social media managers do is basically they are going to review someone else's content. They're going to be helping, the creators grow their audience, answering DMs, answering comments. So you can do this. Also, if they don't have time, you are going to be posting for them. Okay. And this is something that you can actually plan in advance. Okay. So these are several options, or several choices for you guys to make money online. So you're going to be a social media manager. For example, we have this person, okay? It's a 30 days perfect service, okay? It's going to be a social media manager. The basic plan is 170. It's going to be just one platform. What does that mean? It means that, okay, you can be answering questions on Instagram, comments on Instagram, DMs on Instagram, or maybe you're going to be like, no, it's just about Facebook. Okay, they're going to be doing a paid channel evaluation. It's going to be 30 days. Okay, the price go from 170 to 340. Okay, as you can see, this person has 19 orders in queue. So this is over $2,000. It's actually if all of them decide to go with $170 package. We have this other person, okay, who have 33 orders in queues, and their prices goes from 185 to 390. Okay, they're actually doing research on hashtags, captions, 3 social media pages. Okay, so you can model what they're doing. Okay, and let me tell you something real, guys, because these guys are really generic. But if you are in love with the platform and you are really specific about that platform, you can charge even way more. Okay, let me show you another example here. 68% here on queue. Okay, so what does that mean? That they are waiting to get this service. They are people who are really eager for this. Okay, and they're willing to pay $245 up to $575. 8 persons here. The prices goes between 100 to 260. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you already got it. There's a lot of money here involved. But of course, you need guys to put the hours if you really want to make this work. By the way, guys, please let me know where are you from. because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is actually helpful in your area. If you're enjoying this content so far, please come and give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Quit watching the entire video, because at the end, I'm going to show you a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can make even more money online. So now that you understand the potential here on this, you may be wondering like, okay, Diana, this is sounds amazing. How can I, be featured on Fiverr? How can people find me? I know there's a lot of competition here on Fiverr. So you need to attract customers. Okay. You need to attract customers and you need to reach the right people. Okay. I'm going to show you two strategies. The first one is going to be with YouTube. Okay. If you type how to grow on social media, okay, you can see that there are tons of videos here with several strategies. Okay, what you can do is watch them, create a YouTube channel, and just learn first. That's really important. Apply the strategy if you want for yourself, and also you can teach people these strategies on your own voice. Okay, people needs you. Okay, there are gonna be people who resonate with these guys, but there are others who are actually waiting for you. Okay, what else you can do? Okay, you can also go to Google, and if you type the same how to grow on social media, you can find that there are a lot of articles with several tips on how people can actually grow on social media. And as you notice, people are actively looking for this information. So you can, read the article, understand it, okay? Understand it, and share this knowledge, okay, just in case that you are you know nervous because you're like, okay, I don't want to be in front of the camera. I'm a shy person and an introvert, or I just don't feel like it. Okay, what you can do is that you can record your voice. Okay, you can record your voice, and you can use a software. This is a free software that is called Audacity. Okay, you can download it. It's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you have one of those systems. You can download it and you can record your voice. Okay, what about the graphics? Because videos needs graphics. Well, you can go to a website that it's called Pixabay. You can go to pixabay.com. Okay, there are several videos. If I click here where it says videos, you're gonna notice that these are free stock videos, and that we can use our on our productions. Okay, so these are really nice videos and you can use them. Okay, this is one strategy. Another strategy that you can do, guys, is that you can go, for example, to Instagram. In my case, I'm gonna go with the weight loss niche. Okay, so I found this person. Okay, and I noticed that he or she, the person who is actually behind this, okay, they do have tons of comments because they do have, a lot of images. Also, they have a product that they're selling. So you can message them and you can offer them right away the service and let them know like, well, you have a fiber gig, or you can share the video that you just record. Like, hey, I noticed that, okay, you have this. Are you aware that actually you can grow your social media, right? So here is a video. Remember, on the description of the YouTube video, and this is something that I almost forget to mention, is that you need to write or put the link to your fiber gig. Okay, you need to have something that we call a call to action. So that means that, okay, if they watch it, okay, what's the next step? Well, if they are interested on hiring you or hiring a professional that actually knows what they're talking about, click the link below. Okay, that's going to be the link, okay, with my gig, okay, with my services. And this is how you guys attract those people who are actually actively looking for this. They're actively looking for your service. Okay. So guys, remember that this is something that you need to do actively. Okay, this is something that you need to do actively. You need to put the hours if you want to get results. But if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online and you are looking for something passive, I mean passive income so you can make money while you travel, make money while you're asleep, I'm going to leave a link below with my number one recommendation. Okay, so check it. And this is it for this video. Keep watching the next video. Okay, and if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. Until next time.